Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've already got Google Maps open, so grab the exact location pin now. Click Share and copy link to capture the live location URL. This ensures coordinates stay accurate. If you need a smaller file for QR generation, shorten the link. This reduces QR complexity and scanning errors. Once done, confirm the link opens the correct view on another device to avoid embedded map versus directions confusion, because the QR will encode this URL directly. Now paste the copied maps URL into a reliable QR generator and select URL as the payload type. That's how devices will open maps directly. Adjust size and error correction. Higher correction increases readability if printed or damaged, but makes the pattern denser. Pick output format, PNG for quick use, SVG for scalable print. Make sure to test scan behavior across phones. Different map app defaults can change how the link opens, so verify both. Finish by thoroughly testing the QR on several devices. Camera app, QR scanner, and alternate browsers to ensure it opens Google Maps as intended. Print at a minimum of 2 by 2 inches and use strong contrast. Poor print quality or small size causes failed scans. If scanning opens search instead of the exact pin, confirm you copied the direct share link rather than a map view token. Correct that and regenerate the QR. Troubleshoot by increasing error correction or shortening the URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.